Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in this additional of today's newspaper of Monday, January the 18th, 2021. On the Blue Monday, we have 8 extra Sudokus for you with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star. 2 tectonics, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, 2 binaries, binary number 1 and binary number 2. I won't do them all, but I will post all the links for the PDF file, so you can download it and solve it by yourself. I only do 4 of them. Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary I will solve. And the first one will be number 2182. 2182. Alright, so let's get started. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 3 stars has always 25. Let me check if this is correct. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 times 3, 15 plus 4, 19, 20, 22 plus 3, 25 equal to 25. Correct. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the third column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this big square, so no 7 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. You see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this third column. Those numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. And look, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. Here, 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 8. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then. Yes, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left. 5 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the third row, so the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5 and this should be a 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 1 is missing, 9 is missing, and the 7 is missing. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 here, so no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 9. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this big square. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2, should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the middle row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there, we see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then. I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left. 5 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. How about yeah. We have a pair. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this column, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. We have a 3 and a 7 in this row, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. So the 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. The other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. Then let me see 3, 8, 1. Yes, we have a pair again. The 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. Yes, we have here in this row 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and an 8. We have 1 and an 8 in this big square, so no 1 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be an 8. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. 3, 6, 9, 10. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, 7, and the 9. 7 and 9. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 7 should be here. Or there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Two numbers left in this second column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. 4 and the 8, 4 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two numbers. And the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Now, 2, 6, 4, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those numbers are the 2, the 6 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4. 2, 6, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 there. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. So one digit left for the number 4. Two boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. And look, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. One digit left in this column for the number 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be an 8. And this should be a 4. Alright. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next. Only two places for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we see there 4. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So on the last row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only place for the 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 5. 5 is missing. One number left in that column for the number 6 is missing. 6. Yes, now we have a 6 there, so this is going to be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 2. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Oh, right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku with 4 stars. See you later. Bye-bye for now.